Yo, this is a really cool color, dude. Porsche Panamera Hybrid we have in today. Lower links are going to go on this thing. That way when we adjust the ride height in the car, it will all be set down a little bit lower than factory.
If you use gloves or scrub, just kidding. Probably better, but I'm trying to save the turtles, so I'm not using them. Cause that's rubber. Turtles eat that. And then turtles look like crap and they die on the bottom of the ocean.
Talking about, bro?
Why would your gloves end up in the ocean, Tyler?
Why did straws end up in the ocean?
People bring straws to the beach.
People bring gloves to the beach.
Why would your gloves be at the beach, though?
Bring them, dog. At least an inch of wheel gap before.
So yeah, definitely not an inch anymore, so this is nice.
That's the standard adjustment that it was given at. In the rear, we adjusted more.
So here's what it looks like now. There's a slight wheel gap, but it looks a lot better. It's not slammed. It doesn't look crazy, you know? And here's what the rear looks like. A little bit of wheel gap, which is what you want. But then now that the car is a little bit more lowered, these stock wheels sit in even more now. So definitely want to get spacers or at least get aftermarket wheels. So now that we got the lowering links done on the Panamera, we're actually going to be doing a chrome delete on this. As you can see, the car doesn't have chrome anywhere except for the window trims, so it kind of looks out of place. It doesn't make sense to have this, so we're going to be changing it out. Sean is no longer wrapping today, so I'm going to take over. As you can see, I already did this part. I'll be honest with you guys, it's not the best work, but I'm going to rip it off and redo it because I'm a perfectionist.
You.
And at the same time, Dustin is here, gonna be clear-brawling the Panamera while we work on the chrome delete. Several things happening at once, right, Dustin? What's going on in your brain today, Dustin?
Huh?
You're not yourself. Eat a Snickers.
Looks good with the chrome delete. Definitely makes a big difference. Window trims were chrome, now they're gloss black. Kind of blends in with the windows, so it kind of makes the windows look bigger. And there was also chrome on the door handles too, so we wrapped that just in that little area here. No one really notices it, but hey, you know, gotta get rid of all the chrome you can.
Oh yeah, so much better.
And we also clear brawled this entire full front end. This is gonna stay looking new for as long as he owns the car. And the cool thing with this color is since it's like a white grayish color, Clearbra just looks even more invisible.